Have you ever thought about selling products online but don't know exactly where to get low-cost supplies from? That's about to end today. How? Today, you get the lowest prices on the supplies that you need from Alibaba. But wait, what's Alibaba? This is where my latest offer, Alibaba Profit System, comes in. With Alibaba Profit System, I'm going to show you how you can use Alibaba and be a successful online entrepreneur. Learn what Alibaba is and how you can use it to bring great success to your online business. Discover how to avoid getting scammed by bogus suppliers. Learn more about placing orders and making payments, and so much more. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. You have nothing to lose through our shock, zero risk, no nonsense, win-win, 100% money back guarantee. So scroll down this page below to discover how to succeed using Alibaba starting today.